said we're gonna bring bikes. We something to ride around and like. Imagine, I remember having to walk all the way to this corner, the far corner, to get a ladder, and then walk all the way back to the other. I'm like, holy shit.
Some really cool bikes. What's cool is they have a lot of different types, so kind of whatever style you're into, I bet they have a bike that you're gonna like, you know? That's what's always awesome about this show. Look at that little guy. Last year I did the show, the bike was in the show, and I really enjoyed it. It was a lot of fun. What's cool is they keep the bikes fresh, you know. Every year it's new stuff, so it's not the same old boring stuff. That's kind of cool. This one? All electric bikes. What's really fun is the detail on these bikes. It's the little subtle things that really set, you know, each of them apart, and it's just really cool. I know I'm not really getting into detail with this video, but you get the idea. Oh, look at this one. The motor looks huge on that thing. I don't have my favorite yet. I do like this bike though. It's just nice and clean. I don't know, I like it. Of course, this bike I also like. Dumb and Dumber, if you didn't recognize it. I don't know if it's the original or a remake, but it's still really cool. A lot of beautiful bikes. Nice BMWs. like that. It's a BMW. Electric bike. It's pretty cool. I imagine those are a blast to ride. A lot of torque, a lot of instant torque. Look at this thing. Looks like it's very movie-like. It looks like it's out of some kind of movie or something. Well, I think I've covered most of them. I'm sure my family's looking for me right now. So that's the hand-built show for 2023. Got some cool merchandise over here. We're gonna see what shirts and stuff they have. Hey, I know those people. Hello? Oh, there are some more bikes I didn't get yet. This is more at the entrance. Shirts that you like? It's a long bike. Look at this bike. Not sure how you ride it, but I think it'd be pretty cool. And of course you have the band outside and the wall of death. Kind of see the wall of death to your left. Yeah, pretty cool. I really like this show. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun to be in it. It's a lot of fun just to not be in it. I'd say it's almost probably more fun not to be in it because it's really stressful. You know, you have a bike in it, you know, you're wanting to look good. Hopefully no one knocks it over, or you know, it's pretty stressful. Things do happen, you know, kids climb on them. It's crazy. Or you'll get some drunk guy, which I think happened last year. He kept sitting on the bikes, you know. They had to kick him out, but pretty crazy, but it happens. But yeah, check out the scene. It's pretty awesome. Oh, I know I wanted to show you. I forgot what it's called, and I know I should know. I think it's an F40. I think is what it is, a Ferrari. It's kind of, it's actually really cool. What a neat car, you know? So we're gonna check that out right now.
They call it like supercars.
Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, sorry, man. Oh, you're good. I like the clear, the hatch. Pretty sure it's, I guess, twin turbo, I'm guessing. I don't know a lot about it. What a cool car though. I looked at this car, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 months ago. The tires on it were dated, really old. But you know, it's not like it's driven daily. It's not like it's raced. It's pretty sure it's just mainly for show, which is fine. But and I'm not picking out flaws that I'm just saying that it's, you definitely want good tires, you know, to drive something like this. What a cool car. I mean, I guess if you're cruising, I guess it doesn't matter, but you know, if you had a blowout or something like that, it'd be horrible. It'd do a lot of damage. Plus it'd be super skatey, you know. Any kind of horsepower numbers on hard tires is always a bad combination. Anyway, pretty cool. It's pretty hot in here. Feels like it's about 80 degrees, 85. Okay, I gotta find my family again and see where they're at. Oh, there they are.